All right, here we go. Naomi practicing her down the ramp skills.
Down the one ramp?
Yep.
Down one?
Yep. Daddy, can you help her out there? She's a little bit stuck.
Got it.
Okay, let Daddy help you. All right, there we go.
Go back off.
Here she comes. Oh, Sophie's your head okay?
Are you okay, bud?
Do you want to go?
Are you okay, bud?
Do you want to go down this one too?
Yeah. You know I like going down the ramp.
Oh, I know you do. I'll help you. There, how's that? Whoops, sorry, Sophie, honey. Ready, and here she goes! That was the most fun you ever had. Well, I'm glad that was fun. So what do you want to do now? What do you want to do now?
Nothing.
Jump? Jump up and down? Swing?
This is broke.
Yeah, that got broke.
Ramp going up and down.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Here, let's get that again from the front. You want to do it again?
Yes.
Whoop, did you hurt your arm?
Yes.
It hurt your arm when you jump? How? What are you hitting? You're cute. That? Alright, well we need to turn around and go back up the ramp if we want to go down it.
Yeah. Again?
Yep.
F150. Then we go back to
What was that?
I thought you were having fun.
You're going to need a little bit of
That
help.
was the most fun I ever had.
Ever fun?
Ever.
Fun ever had? Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Ready? Can you go up? It's kind of harder going back up. Alright, ready? Go ahead.
I can't even do it.
You and Naomi work together, Sophie. Naomi needs to learn how to go up and down the ramp. Good. Keep going. What?
The girl watching.
The girl watching?